What's the meaning of call? Call. Call.
Call. Call. Call is a verb that means to make a telephone call or to contact someone using a phone. It can also refer to requesting or asking someone to come or go somewhere. The result of call depends on the context in which it is used. For instance, if you call a friend, the result could be having a conversation with them or making plans to meet up. If a recruiter calls a job applicant, the result could be setting up an interview. Overall, call is a versatile term that can be used to initiate communication or action between individuals or groups.